Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mariam Narona. I am a teacher by profession. I work in higher education, and since I work with youth, I find that there are certain problems which youth experience, and I think they need some help or some guidance in those matters, and many a time they do not know where to turn for those problems or the questions which they have in mind. And that is why I've launched an initiative called Mentoring Millennials, in which I will be answering some questions faced by young people and or problems faced by them rather. And today I have this question on how we can have better relationships. So I'll be addressing that today. How to have better relationships? I think the question really should be, what we should be asking ourselves is, what determines the quality of every relationship that we have? That is, whether it is a personal or professional relationship, what determines the quality of that relationship? Usually we tend to be under this impression that every relationship that we have is a sort of a give and take, and however the opposite person behaves with me, I will behave like that with that person. But actually, you have a big part to play in the quality of every relationship which you have in life. And for that, you need to start by taking responsibility for who you are in that relationship and what your reactions or responses are. Obviously, the way you behave, that has to be sort of a standard which you set, may or may not be followed by the other person. That means if you are good and conscientious, the opposite person may not be good, may not be conscientious, may not return your politeness. But it is what you really need to look at is your part in that. Mahatma Gandhi has said this: be the change you wish to see in the world. So, every relationship we have can improve if we make that interaction with other people, that is, the interaction which we have with other people, the best possible interaction that they could have with us. We have to understand that we need to own our behavior, we need to own our actions and our words. So everything that we say, it reflects us. It should not depend on who and what and how the opposite person is behaving. So automatically, when you start becoming conscious of the fact that you are leaving other people with a lasting impression, or even a brief experience which could be good or it could be really bad, and you made it good for them, then that is the key to having good relationships. So I would say, take responsibility for how you behave in each and every relationship that you have, whether it is with a parent, whether it is with an employee. More so, be conscious with how you behave with people who are below you in an organization or in the social system. You have to be nice to them. Anybody can be behave really nicely, or everybody desires to have good relationship with people who are powerful, influential, and things like that. But it is small things like being nice to a security guard, or the delivery guy who comes along to your house to deliver things, to be polite to them even if they are not towards you. That is how really the quality of every relationship can improve, if you take ownership of your behavior and your actions. And I'll be happy to answer any questions that any millennials have. And it you can mail me at mentoringmillennials@gmail.com, and I will definitely pick a question every week and answer it. So do send in your queries. Thank you.